We've just completed a very successful trip of the whole board of Invictus to Zimbabwe, and that's the first full board visit since the discovery in December last year. That was to meet with a range of stakeholders as well as investors and off-takers as well. So, very successful trip. We met with our line ministries, consisting of energy and mines, to discuss not only the results but also what's coming up in our forward work program. We had some very constructive discussions regarding the petroleum production sharing agreement, which is well advanced now, and we're aiming to conclude that within the next few months. And then finally, with a number of off-takers who are interested in purchasing gas from us, as well as quite a wide array of local investors who are very keen on investing further into the project and developing Zimbabwe's gas industry. The Petroleum Production Sharing Agreement, or PPSA, is an important framework agreement that will ensure that a transparent legal and fiscal framework is put in place to govern the project across its life cycle, which will provide the government and its citizens with a fair share of the resources from any oil and gas field that's developed within the Cabora Bassa project that we have. We've had a very constructive meeting with the Sovereign Wealth Fund of Zimbabwe, the Mutapa Investment Fund. They will be our partners in the future development of Mukuyu and other fields within the licence area. That board now has been constituted, it's been staffed, and we're now moving forward with our partnership with the Sovereign Wealth Fund. They are spearheading the implementation of the Petroleum Production Sharing Agreement, and we're expecting to see a swift conclusion of that so that we can formalise our partnership. We are now planning an extensive appraisal program for the Mukuyu gas field. That includes well testing on Mukuyu 2, as well as a 3D seismic program across the Mukuyu field. Currently it's only mapped on 2D seismic, and so that will provide us with great insights into the subsurface architecture of the field. It's obviously a great validation from a group like Wood Mackenzie to be recognised as the second largest discovery in sub-Saharan Africa in 2023. A fantastic achievement for the company. We hope it's going to get a lot bigger as well than what Wood Mackenzie have currently put out, and part of that work in the future is through well testing and the seismic campaign. Following the discovery at Mukuyu 2, we've now got a fantastic acreage position in the basin. We've got a huge amount of running room that's opened up for us in the basin, where we expect to make multiple further discoveries from our acreage and the prospects and leads that we have. So we've got an exciting exploration and appraisal campaign upcoming, which is going to keep us very busy.